Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Here's another video. If you already saw this look, then you already know that I'm filming 2 videos in one day. But this is coming up the day after the video, meaning this is Wednesday, but I got this on Tuesday. Anyways, if you don't know what this is the Boxycharm Premium, which is $35 a month. You have to get the Boxycharm subscription first, the regular base box, which is $25 a month. Then you sign up for the waitlist for the premium. When you're off the waitlist for the premium, then you can cancel after the first month of getting the premium. You'll cancel the base box if you just want the premium. This premium, this month of March 2020, is full of Fenty. You guys already know my opinions on the Fenty box. I discussed it a little bit in a video. I don't know which video, but my opinions kind of changed. And let's get into this unboxing. So this is how the box looks like. It says Boxycharm times Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It says premium. Look at the design, it's just so beautiful. Then you have the foam and the card, and then here's the sneak peek. Basically, everyone knows what we're getting in this box. It's just that the shades do vary. The shades do vary in 2 products, which is the matchstick and the lipstick. I'm gonna tell you, for the lipstick, I want PMS, Clapback, or Shoddy. Those are the 3 that's on my wish list in Sephora. And then for matchstick, I would like Chili Mango, but if I don't get that, then I'm not gonna buy Chili Mango because I kind of don't want the matchstick. But yeah, so let's get into this. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Trophy White. This retails for 36 bucks. I said I was going to get rid of this because I have a golden shade in a palette. I don't need a golden shade in a palette in a single, but I kind of do because sometimes I don't want to travel with a palette. Sometimes I just want to travel with one color. So I'm going to keep this. This is what the packaging looks like. And then here's the back. Then here is the shade. I'm actually gonna put some on using my Moda crease brush. I'm just like blending that into the skin. Ooh, I like this. This is very glittery, but I'm okay with it. I really don't usually like glittery highlights, but some I do make an exception, and I'm glad I tried this out because I definitely will make an exception of this. Okay, the next thing is the Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. We all received this. This retails for $19. I knew by heart because I have on my wish list the one in Trophy Wife. I mean, not Trophy Wife, the one in Hot Chocolate. So I'm going to open this up, show you the shade. I'll probably swatch it on my hand, but I won't put it on my lips because I'm really hoping for the PMS or Shorty or Clapback. Whichever one I get, I'm putting on my lips. If I get Candy Venom, then I'm putting this on my lips. But here is the packaging. Here's the doe foot applicator. And here is the gloss. Oh, really is so beautiful. Like, yes. The next thing is the Fenty Beauty Invisit Matte Blotting Papers. This retails for $16. So it comes with the contraption and the blotting papers separately, and it has a mirror on the back. So as you know, I have combination skin. So blotting papers I always wanted to try, especially during the summer. I'm gonna need this to blot away. So I'm okay with this. The next thing I pulled out is this matchstick. I got it in the shade Blonde, which I don't understand. Like, I don't understand why they put that as one of the variations because they already got a gold type of highlighter, Trophy Wife, and that was a set thing. So I don't understand why they made a gold cream highlighter. I mean, I understand put this under and then put this for it's like a more pop situation, but Fenty Beauty highlighters already pop. So this will be on my Mercari, which will be listed down below. It will probably already be up on sale when this video hits, so go check it out. This retails for $25 and it's magnetic. Like if you have the other ones, like they could stick together. I will be selling this on my Mercari for $15, but I will lower it down if you just have 12 bucks. I do offer free shipping, that's why I'm selling it for 15, but this is 25 bucks. And this is what the shade looks like. I'm not gonna swatch it, of course, because I'm selling it. So the next thing is the Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade PMS. Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm sorry for your ears. I'm sorry. I'm excited. Okay, let's put this on my lips. Here is the packaging. It has the FB on the tip. That's gonna be ruined, but this is what it looks like. Okay, let's do this. I always wanted this shade. I have Griselda and Trico Fiesta, but when she came out with PS in her second launch of Bullet lipsticks, of Mademoiselle lipsticks, I just wanted it. Because you know I am a chocolate queen, okay? The next and last thing is the Moroccan Spice Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette, which retails for 29 bucks. It actually used to retail for 59 bucks, but it's on sale for 29 right now. And I like her new shadow formula better. I did try this out in store. I mean, the girl did my makeup like 3 times with this palette, so I kind of know how it is. This is it really is pretty, and I might keep it. I know I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. Well, I did sell 3 on Mercari, so I'm gonna keep it. This is what the packaging looks like. Then the back has the names on it. Then here are the shades. Oh my gosh, that gold shade right there is looking like everything. This kind of looks like her deep neutrals palette and her smoky palettes combined of her new formula. But I like it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 shades, like the shimmer shades, like that. What is it? Moroccan Ice, that rose gold type of shade, and those gold shades are like calling my name. Overall, this box retails for 143 bucks, and I'm not mad at it. Like, it's really worth the 35 bucks. And the only thing that I just don't like is the matchstick. So without the matchstick, it would be 118 bucks. Really? Anyways, it'll be 118 bucks, so still over the $35 that I paid for it, and I am excited. Okay, this is the best Boxycharm yet. Do I wish that we got the mascara or the eyeliner? Yes, but this was an old Boxycharm quiz. Old Boxycharm like asks, what would you like in your box? Like, I think they did it a year ago, a year and a half ago. So this was already in the works. Can't blame them. And I like this box. So if you want the matchstick, it will be linked down below in my Mercari. Go check it out and have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this. And bye, you guys.